I thought I was safe, good salary, stable job, everything under control. Then one sentence changed my life. We have to let you go. I lost my job in 30 seconds, but what I found after that changed everything. I couldn't move. I couldn't speak. I just stared at the wall. Rent, groceries, family, responsibilities. Fear started screaming in my head. How do you tell your family you lost your job? Hey, I have something important to tell you. I lost my job today, but I'm going to fix this. I took a deep breath and said, I need your support right now. I don't know what's next, but I won't give up. That hug felt stronger than any paycheck. She said, we believe in you. And something inside me shifted. But belief doesn't stop anxiety at 3 a.m. My mind kept saying, you're not special. You're replaceable. Then I asked myself one powerful question. If not now, then when? The next morning, I started learning again. New skills, new mindset, new direction. Hi, I'm confident, I'm adaptable, I'm ready to grow. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into progress. I applied to 27 jobs. I got 19 rejection emails. Thank you for your time. We chose another candidate. But this time, I didn't break, I built discipline. Wake up early, exercise, study. Hi, I'd love to learn more about your company. Confidence grows when action becomes habit. I stopped chasing jobs and started building value. Then one afternoon, my phone rang. Hello, this is speaking. We were impressed with your persistence. Are you available for an interview tomorrow? Absolutely, I'm ready. I walked into that interview. Not desperate, different. Why should we hire you? I answered honestly. Because I know what it feels like to lose everything and rebuild. Confidence isn't loud. It's earned. I got the offer. But here's the twist. I didn't accept it. Because losing my job didn't destroy me. It revealed who I really was. Sometimes losing security is how you find freedom. I didn't lose a job. I found myself. If life removes something from you, maybe it's making space for something bigger.